Hello everyone, my name is Ida Cloud and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to show you how to do this burgundy evening glittery makeup look. So if you're interested how to do that, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off from the Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer from the NYX, and first I'm going to apply it on my forehead only to blend my eyebrow pomade easily. For eyebrows today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe, and first I'm brushing my hairs up with the spoolie and drawing the line on the bottom of the brow. Then I'm brushing my hairs down and drawing the line on the top of the brow and drawing the tail of the brow and filling that in. Also, I'm filling in the inner corner of the brow using scratching motions, and then I'm brushing my hairs up and down to blend the product. I'm using the Max Factor Pen Stick in the shade 12 True Beige, and using flat brush, I'm cleaning up the shape of my eyebrows. I'm blending the concealer with Beauty Blender. I'm brushing my hairs up and down once again to blend the product. I'm going to apply the brow gel. This is Maybelline Brow Drama in the shade Dark Blonde, and I'm starting off from the outer corner of the eyebrow, and then I'm filling in the inner corner. For my eyes today, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade 120 Artist, and I'm going to apply it on my eyelid as a base. This lipstick blends out very easily and it is ideal for the eye primer. I'm applying it all over my eyelids and also on the lower eyelid. I'm blending the lipstick with a small brush on the lower eyelid. On the upper eyelid, I'm using big blending brush and blending the liquid lipstick using circular motions without any pressure on the brush. Also, I'm using smaller blending brush to make my blending perfect on the lower and the upper eyelid. I'm using the MAC Black Pencil in the shade Engraved, and I'm applying it on the upper waterline and also between my lashes. For the lower waterline, I'm using the Lip Pencil from Rimmel Cosmetics in the shade 105 Under My Spell. Today I'm using the Burgundy Bar palette from the Maybelline New York Cosmetics. And first I'm taking the dark brown color and applying it on the outer corner of my eye using tapping motions and taking it a little bit lower on the outer corner of the lower eyelid. I'm blending it with clean big blending brush without any pressure on the brush with scratching motions. Do not leave harsh edges at all. I'm taking dark beige color from the same palette and applying it also in the crease with small blending brush with circular motions and blending that in also with big blending brush. I'm taking another Maybelline New York palette. This is the Nudes palette, and I'm taking black shade with the same triangle brush and applying it with tapping motions on the outer corner of my eye. And blending that in with big blending brush with the same technique. I'm taking big flat brush and red shimmer shade from the Burgundy Bar Maybelline palette, and I'm applying it with tapping motions on my eyelid. I have fallout, don't worry, we will clean up our face later. And I'm blending all the harsh edges with big blending brush using circular motions. Also, I'm blending the inner corner of the crease. I'm using the palette from the eyelashes Cosmetics 10 Colors eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking shimmer crimson shade and applying it with big flat brush on the eyelid and blending that with small blending brush. I'm applying once again black eyeshadow on the outer corner and in the crease and blending it once again. I'm taking the glitter primer from the NYX and applying it on my lid with small flat brush with tapping motions. I'm taking the Takeyour glitter palette from AliExpress and I'm taking burgundy shimmer from this palette and applying it on my eyelids with tapping motions and leaving harsh edge on the cut crease. And I'm blending a little bit my crease with small blending brush to get rid of the excess shimmer in the crease. I'm taking once again the crimson shimmer shade from the previous palette and with big blending brush I'm pressing very carefully this shade on my eyelid because these pigments are creasing and I have to set them. I'm using the MAC C18 soft and gentle highlighter and I'm applying it on the inner corner of the eye. I'm drawing my wing using the Essence Liquid Ink Waterproof Eyeliner and I'm doing very big wing and extending the inner corner. Because I have hooded eyes, later we are going to hide this wing using black eyeshadow. I'm taking off the tape and cleaning my face from the excess fallout. Also, I'm cleaning the shape of the eye with concealer and flat brush. I'm using the Yves Saint Laurent Luxurious Mascara for a false lash effect in the shade Noir Radical Black, and I'm applying it on the upper and the lower lashes with 3 layers. I'm applying the mascara on the both sides of the lashes. Today we're not using fake eyelashes. After mascara dries out, I'm curling my lashes with curler. Make sure that mascara dries out completely. And then I'm using this spoolie to brush the excess mascara from my lashes. I'm taking the lightest shimmer shade from the Burgundy Bar palette and I'm highlighting my brow bone. Time for the face, and I'm using the same NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer and applying it on the rest of my face. I'm going to color correct my face using the all-around concealer palette from Catrice Cosmetics. First, I'm going to take green corrector and apply it on the redness and blemishes that I have on my face with flat brush. I'm using red corrector to apply it under the eyes and around my mouth to hide the bluiness on my face. I'm going to blend the corrector using my fingertips. My fingertips will warm up the product and the corrector will blend easily. I'm mixing 3 skin color shades from this palette and applying it on the same places where I color correct. Also, I'm applying the corrector on my nose to hide the appearance of the pores. And I'm going to blend this once again using my fingertips. For foundation today, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover Foundation in the shade 110 Rose Vanilla. And first, I'm applying it on the one side of my face because it modifies very quickly. And I'm blending that in very quickly using damp beauty blender. And applying the foundation on the rest of my face. And blending that in once again with damp beauty blender. I'm applying more foundation on the places where I want to hide the appearance of the pores. I'm using the Max Factor Pan Stick in the shade 12 True Beige to hide the blemishes on my face using flat brush, and I'm blending it very carefully around the pimple. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade 1 Light and applying it under my eyes with triangle shape. I'm blending that with Beauty Blender. Also, I'm cleaning the shape of my eye with this concealer. I'm using the Bourgundi Silk Edition Touch Up Transparent Pressed Powder and I'm going to apply it all over my face. First, I'm setting my under eye area, but make sure to blend once again your concealer to get rid of the creases. And I'm setting all my face. I'm using the Inglot Sculpting Powder in the shade 510. This is the coolest shade that they have, and I'm sculpting my face. I'm applying it under my cheekbones. On my chin to hide my double chin. On my forehead. Also, I'm sculpting my nose and I'm applying the sculpting powder under the bottom lip to make my lips look fuller. For bronzer today, I'm using the Maybelline The City Bronzer in the shade 250 Medium Warm, and I'm going to apply it on the same places where I applied my sculpting powder. I'm using the Bourgundi blush in the shade 54 Frosted Rose, and I'm applying it on my cheekbones and a little bit on my nose. Time for the lips, and first I'm priming my lips with MAC Lip Primer. Then I'm going to line my lips with NYX Sweet Matte Lip Liner in the shade SMLL58 Girl Bye. I'm going to overline my lips and then filling them in. I'm going to use the NYX lip brush to make my lips look sharper. For lipstick today, I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Goals liquid lipstick in the shade Bloodstone. and I'm making my lips sharper with NYX lip brush. I'm using the MAC Fix Plus Fixing Spray with powder in it. After that, I'm going to apply the MAC highlighter in the shade C18 Soft and Gentle. For maximum pigmentation of the highlighter, I'm applying it on my cheekbones, on my nose, on the tip of the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on my forehead, on my chin, and on my lips. And I'm going to use the second highlighter. This is Kalan's Cosmetics from the AliExpress. This is Rainbow Highlighter from AliExpress. This is mass market, and I'm applying it on the same places where I applied the previous highlighter. Alright guys, and that was Burgundy Glittery Evening Makeup Look. If you enjoyed watching this video, had fun with me, or found it useful, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, that all is AirCloud. And see you in my next video. Bye!